How to trade on Huobi OTC. Welcome to Huobi, a leading digital asset trading exchange in the world. Today, I will show you how to take OTC trades on Huobi OTC app. Here takes the Android version as an example. Step 1. Open your app. If you haven't signed up for an account, click the Sign Up button. Select your nationality, enter your phone number, and click to get an SMS verification code in Sign Up with Phone page. Enter the verification code you just received. Set the login password and click the Continue button to finish registration. If you have already got an account, just enter your phone number and password and then click the Login button. Drag the picture icon into the circled area to finish authentication. Then you enter in the SMS verification code and click the Confirm button. After login, you can select the desired currency, price and payment method in the Sell or Buy page, combined with various advertisements posted by merchants. To enhance transaction trustworthiness, merchants are required to pass real name verification and freeze an amount of digital assets as security deposit before posting ads, assuming that you are buying BTC. Click the proper advertisement and enter your desired volume or amount in the pop-up window. Make sure the trade price is what you desire and then click the Submit button. Transfer money to the seller within time limits as per payment methods displayed on the order page. Make sure that you have clicked the I've paid button after finishing payment. Here comes a reminder. The corresponding digital assets of the order will be locked by Huobi after you place it. All you need to do is transfer money directly to the seller as per the seller's stated payment methods such as bank transfer, PayPal, or Western Union. If you have paid to the seller, do not click the Cancel button unless you have received refund from the seller. In the pop-up Confirm Payment window, click the Confirm button. If you haven't completed payment, do not click Confirm, since this will run against the transaction regulations. After you complete the payment, just wait for the seller to release corresponding digital assets. During the awaiting process, you can contact the seller or our customer support. When the seller releases the digital asset, this transaction is completed successfully. You could click Transfer Now to transfer the digital assets to your exchange account. You could also check your purchased digital assets in My Balance under the Me menu. Below are some warm tips for you. 1. If you haven't received the digital assets 5 minutes after clicking I've paid, you can click Appeal, and our customer support personnel will intervene in the chat window for further processing. 2. Currently, we support BTC, USDT, and ETH only. If you need to trade with other cryptocurrencies, please transfer your BTC, USDT, or ETH balances to your exchange account for further exchanges. 3. Should there be any other issues or disputes, you can contact support at Huobi Pro. For easy and secure digital asset trading, just come to Huobi.